If you're seeking the ultimate launchpad for your academic journey, look no further than UniLodge UC Guginya. With a diverse range of studios, both ensuite and non-ensuite, this property is your one-stop destination for all your student living needs and beyond. Each room is meticulously designed to offer the utmost comfort, featuring a snug bed, a dedicated study desk, and spacious wardrobes to accommodate all your essentials. Additionally, the property also offers amazing amenities like spacious common areas, where you can hang out after a long day, barbecue facilities which are perfect for hosting lively gatherings and sizzling cookouts, and study areas where you can have the most interesting brainstorming sessions. Plus, don't miss out on the thrilling community events where you can bond with your fellow residents and create lasting memories. Conveniently located just a short stroll from the University of Canberra and a quick drive from the Australian National University. UniLodge UC Guginya ensures you spend less time commuting and more time making the most of your academic pursuits. On weekends, indulge your taste buds at Table by Canberra Gourmet, where perfection meets passion in every 18-course masterpiece. Craving authentic Indian cuisine? Delhi to Canberra is your go-to spot, serving up dishes crafted with love and traditional spices. So, what are you waiting for? Make this your dream home and visit amberstudent.com to book today.